like to greet our congressman from Uswag Ilonggo, Mr. Jojo Ang, our Vice Mayor, Jeffrey Ganson, our councilors, Sedfrey Cabaluna, Miguel Tredias, Rudolph Ganson, Honorable Johnny Yang. I hope I did not miss anyone. Nick Baronda and Jelma Implica. We also have visitors from the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in the Philippines. Let's give a big round of applause for Deputy Representative Dustin Ting Shea Yang. We also have the Honorable Kevin Suswiko of the municipality from Guam. Let's give him a big round of applause. He has always been a frequent visitor every time we have Dinagyang. We also have contingents coming from the heads of delegations. Mayor Myla Rosaria Tinke of Tugigorao City, Mayor Rumnia Maymay of the Municipality of La Castellana Negros Occidental, Mr. Robert Ramirez, Head of Delegation, Tourism Officer, City of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Dr. John Stephenson Calda, Head of Delegation, Province of Oriental Mindoro, Gina Adocol, Tourism Officer of Tugigaraw City. Don't worry, my friends, I have a very short message. I'm very certain that everyone wants ready to go on with the show. To all our distinguished guests, local officials, my batchmate and classmate from Ateneo Class 1978, mga pinalangga ko ng mga Ilonggo, mga utod ko kaginikanan, a warm welcome and a shimmering evening to everyone. Last year, we made a very strong comeback when we successfully staged the first face-to-face Dinagyang Festival. Following 2 years of toned-down celebration due to the global COVID-19 pandemic. In our continuous pursuit of providing our people and visitors with something fresh and exciting, we innovated and introduced the Dinagyang illumination alongside the Dinagyang Float Parade of Lights. Today, on our second year, we will be enthralled by the captivating performances of the 7 tribes representing the 7 districts of Iloilo City as they showcase the unwavering faith and remarkable virtues of the Ilonggos. More than the tribes competition, Dinagyang illumination also highlights the city's major growth areas, our new business district, which encompasses SM, a very strong partner of Iloilo City for Dinagyang, among other things. Adria and MegaWorld, where towering buildings, expansive malls, BPO hubs, and developments serve as tangible evidence of the city's continuous growth and progress. This spectacular event is another testament that here in Iloilo City, private-public partnership is very strong and striving. For one, SM, which is our biggest sponsor, have played a pivotal role in supporting Dinagyang Festival financially in and many various ways. Our private sector partners, much like these lights we are going to see tonight, guide and support our beloved city, be it during the most difficult times like the pandemic or in contributing to our efforts towards creating a livable, sustainable, inclusive community. As you can see, I am wearing purple now for our friends from the LGBT. Iloilo City is a very inclusive city. For our Dinagyang Festival, we owe it to our partners. We came back strong last year and even stronger and bolder this year. Madamo gid nga salamat, palangga kugid kamo tanan.